In this video, I will teach you step by step that how to create pivot tables, pivot charts, and slicers that help to enhance your dashboards and analyze progress. Here we already have a clean and organized data set with fields like year, region, category, subcategory, and sales. First step, click anywhere inside your data. Now go to Insert and click on Pivot Table. Click OK. Now a new sheet opens with an empty pivot table. On the right side, you'll see pivot fields. Now, let's build the structure. Drag year into the rows area. Drag region into the columns area. Drag sales into the values area. And just like that, your pivot table is ready. Now let's format it to look professional. Right-click anywhere in the pivot table. Go to Pivot Table Options. Uncheck Auto Fit Column Width on Update. Why? Because we don't want our layout to break every time data refreshes. Click OK. Now format the numbers properly. Adjust column widths. And make the first and last columns bold. This improves readability. Now, move the tables slightly down to create space for design. Now let's design our dashboard. Go to Insert, Shapes, Rectangle. Draw a rectangle above the table. Resize and position it properly. Now format it. Remove the outline. Choose a background color and add a shadow effect. Nice, that looks like a dashboard header. Now, duplicate this shape and change the color. This will hold our charts. Next step, create a pivot chart. Click inside the pivot table. Go to Insert, Pivot Chart. Choose a column chart and click OK. Now remove unnecessary clutter. Hide the field buttons. Remove grid lines. Move the legend to the bottom. Now let's format the chart. Right-click on the data bars, go to Format Data Series. Find gap width and set it to 50%. This makes the chart cleaner and more readable. Now remove the chart background color and outline. Adjust the size and place it neatly inside the shape. Now let's create another view. Duplicate this chart. Move it onto the second shape. Now change its type. Right-click, go to Change Chart Type, and select Radar Chart. Click OK. Now comes the most powerful part, interactivity. Go to Insert, Slicer. Select Category and Subcategory. Click OK. Now slicers appear on your screen. These are like visual filters. Now adjust their size and position. You can also change the number of columns inside slicers to make them look neat. Format them with colors and styles. Now watch this carefully. Click on any category. Instantly, your pivot table and both charts update. Click on Subcategory. Again, everything updates. You can even apply both filters together. This is real-time interactive data analysis in Excel.